if you have not filed your taxes and you are an American citizen. So I have someone, he's one of enrolled IRS agents. He's a tax professional and he helps people here in the United States. His name is Josh. And to have complete disclosure, I've actually worked with him myself. So I'm not just bringing someone who, is someone I wouldn't use. Actually, he's someone that I have, I do use. All right. If you have not filed your taxes for several years, and then you look at these TV commercials and they say, oh, we will take your tax debt and you will only have to pay pennies on the dollar. You've worked with the IRS for 22 years. Is that true?
That is true, but what they're doing is they're selling a solution that they don't know you qualify for, that offer and compromise program. That's the pennies on the dollar. Like I said, the $1,000 offer on $52,000 worth of tax debt. And it's all part of that Fresh Start program that came out in 2011. But the reality is, you're not going to find this on any AI. They're going to say, well, they replaced that Revenue Procedure 5-133 with the IRS. Part of the Fresh Start program says, if you haven't filed for 30 years, you haven't filed for 10 years, you haven't filed for 9 years, doesn't matter. You only need to file the most recent 6 years. So we're talking about 20, 21, 22. Those have to be paper filed because 23, 24, 25 can be e-filed electronically. These have to be paper filed. These three, 20, 21, 22, have to be paper filed and take the IRS. Publicly, they say it takes them 16 weeks. Reality, at least 6 months before they process that, meaning they take a look at the returns and they put them into their system. At that point, they can work with you. But the IRS isn't going to work with you with currently not collectible, an installment agreement, or an offer on compromise unless three things are true. Number one, to the best of your knowledge, you're not being audited. And you'd know, they send you some nasty grams. We've selected your 2022 return for examination. Second, you can't be processing through bankruptcy. That's an ugly word, but some people have to do it, and it's a necessary part of life. However, if you've gone through bankruptcy, you've settled that, great, but you can't just have pulled the trigger and your bankruptcy estate is not settled. Third, you need to be current. And by current, I mean you need to have filed the most recent 6 years of taxes, that's 20 through 25. And if you're self-employed, you need to have filed estimated your ES payments for the last 6 months. Right now, we're kind of in a magic period of time where it's the beginning of the year. Are you current? Well, I paid a January of this year estimate. You have all intentions of making the next 6 estimates. It might be a little while before the IRS starts talking to you, but I just sent in individual instructions through my portal how to do those estimated payments to the federal and the state government just to show goodwill. So somebody starts taking a look at your case and like, oh, they voluntarily made estimated payments. Well, that's good. It's just getting ahead of the program that the IRS has in place. But you have to be current or the IRS won't work with you. You have to not be going through an audit and you cannot be processing through your bankruptcy. Those three things have to be true. And then the IRS will open the door for currently not collectible, offer and compromise, or a payment plan. And the magic of a payment plan is doing a partial payment plan. That is, when you owe the IRS and you present your financials of income and expenses, and you're able to come up with $150 or $500 a month, and over that statute of 120 months, they're not going to get paid full what they say you owe. That's magic because you're getting the same thing as an offer on compromise. You're paying realistically a small percentage or pennies on the dollar of what you actually owe the IRS. That's a great place to be.
What question should a sophisticated, taxpayer, business owner make? Like when they're calling these tax relief companies, for example. Like what's a sophisticated question? Well, if it's a scam or not.
What are your criteria for your designations? Typically, when you call one of those phone numbers, you're talking to a salesperson who is paid commission based on how much money they bring in on that call. So if they're quoting you $20,000 for an offer on compromise, and you know full well that you have a 1 in 5 shot, it's like, based on what criteria? If they haven't asked you any financial questions, they have no idea if you qualify. Ask them upon what basis they're making that determination. Also, what designations they have. Are they a CPA? Are they a tax attorney? Are they an enrolled agent? If they say they are, get their tax court bar number. Get their enrolled agent ID number. That's hold their toes to the fire. Make sure that you're dealing with a professional. Myself and the colleagues that I work with, I'm boots on the ground. I'm the guy that answers the phone. Hi, thanks for calling Best Tax Pro. This is Josh. You got an IRS problem, or are you calling to get your taxes prepared? Make it really clear right from the beginning. If you're talking to a salesperson, they're going to ask you the same question. They're not going to say, hi, how are you doing? But yeah, be prepared to ask them about their designations. You should be the one selecting them rather than them selecting you.
Yeah, so those are basically the three things to look for to avoid getting scammed on those TV infomercials, right?
You bet. Yeah.